CarPlay acting up? It's a common issue, and the problem is often right in your hands, on your iPhone. Let's fix this step by step to get you back on the road with your tunes and maps. Let's start with the simple stuff. Before we dive into deep settings, let's try a few quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode. This is the first and easiest trick in the book. Pull down the control center from the top right hand of your screen. Tap on airplane mode. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. This simple action refreshes your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, which can often solve minor glitches. Disable your VPN. A VPN can be a great tool for privacy, but can also interfere with your iPhone's ability to connect with other devices. Head back to your main settings. Tap General. And then find VPN and Device Management. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off temporarily to see if this solves the problem. If the quick fixes don't work, it's time to check some lesser known settings. Turn off vocal shortcuts. This is a hidden setting that many people don't know about, but it can wreak havoc on Bluetooth connections. For our main settings, tap on Accessibility. Scroll down and find vocal shortcuts. And make sure the toggle is switched off. Forget and re-add your car. Think of this as a complete reset for your car's Bluetooth connection. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and find your car in the list of My Devices. Tap the icon next to it. Then select Forget this device. Once you've done this, go through the process of pairing your iPhone with your car again. Last resort, a full refresh. Still no luck? These final steps are the most powerful way to get your CarPlay working again. Update and restart everything. It's amazing how often a simple software update can fix complex problems. Go to Settings, General, and then check for a software update. While you're at it, perform a full shutdown and restart of both your iPhone and your car's infotainment system. Reset your network settings. This is the ultimate last step on your phone. Go back to your settings. Tap on General. Scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Don't worry, we're not erasing anything. Tap Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. This will wipe all your saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, forcing your phone to start fresh. You'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords, but it's a small price to pay to get your CarPlay working again. Is your iPhone all of a sudden sending green text instead of blue ones? Watch this video to fix it now.